Welcome to Amazon Accelerate 2024. We're here to guide you through the ins and outs of our virtual event platform. There are 3 convenient methods to sign in to the platform. Number 1, email and password. If it's your first time signing in, your reference number serves as your password, found in your registration confirmation or know before you go email from registration@amazonaccelerate.com. For those who've signed into the microsite Agenda Builder or Seller Cafe before, please use the password that you set. Number 2, Magic Link. Opt for the Magic Link option and a link will arrive in your inbox, providing seamless access into the platform when selected. Number 3, Quick Access with LWA. If you registered through login with Amazon LWA during the registration process, simply opt for it again. This streamlined sign-in uses your Amazon.com credentials for a hassle-free entry. For any pre-event hiccups, reach out to helpdesk@amazonaccelerate.com. During the conference on September 18th and 19th, a live chat support option will be at your service on the platform. Your first platform visit will prompt you to set up your profile, enhance it with a picture, update contact info, and adjust settings. Consider keeping your profile public for interaction with fellow attendees and a presence on the conference leaderboard. Access your profile anytime via the profile icon. The homepage of the platform has key callouts with an easy-to-navigate top menu of pages to browse. Quick tip: this page can always be accessed by clicking the Amazon Accelerate logo in the top left corner. On the top menu, you can hover over Networking to explore Partner Connect, search for attendees on the attendee list, or join in on the fun on the community wall. Under Content, you will find the agenda, your agenda, speakers, on-demand content, and the Product Launch Zone. The Product Launch Zone will be updated throughout the event to share more information on product announcements made on the main stage at Amazon Accelerate. Next, we have Gamification, and lastly, Support. Here, you can review our FAQs or contact the Amazon Accelerate Help Desk. Continuing on to Navigation, you will see a menu of profile-related items on the right-hand side. Quick tip: the global search bar searches all associated items in the platform, including speakers and partners. First, we will check out the Partner Connect page. Reminder that this page is accessible under the Networking header. We also have it pinned on the homepage for easy access. Partner Connect provides a curated collection of Amazon selling programs and service providers. It is truly a can't-miss experience. Once you are on the page, you browse 2024 partners. See a partner that interests you? Select the partner booth and you are brought in to learn more. You can request follow-up from a partner, interact on the chat board, or learn more in the partner's profile. Connect with others using the Attendee List tab, and check direct messages via the envelope icon. Important note: others can only message you if your profile is set to public. Remember, you can click your profile image at any time to adjust this setting. Please remember to join the conversation with #AmazonAccelerate and share your experience on the community wall. Navigate to the Content tab and select Agenda for the complete schedule. Employ filter icons to filter sessions by day, level, tags, and more. If you would like to add to your agenda, simply click the heart icon. Sessions that are added to your agenda will be filled in with a black heart. To read more about a particular session, click on the session name. Click Enter Session to engage with other participants and Amazonian speakers and moderators using the right-hand engagement panel during breakout sessions. Utilize the Q&A function to ask questions. You can also write private notes via the Notes area. Quick tip: all of your notes will save for you in the Notes area on the top right of the screen. Your notes are confidential and cannot be viewed by anyone but you. When joining a live session, you have several options to customize your viewing experience. Select the play button to start watching a live session. To expand the video but keep the engagement panel in your view, select Maximize Video. To expand the video to full screen, select the full screen icon within the player. If you would like to activate closed captions, select the CC button on the video player. To turn it off, simply select the Captions Off option. To continue browsing the platform while watching a session, select the last icon in the video player to open the pop-up player. You may have noticed several places where our speakers are highlighted. To explore the full list of Accelerate speakers, hover over Content and Speakers. Click on Photos to access bios and session details. Save favorites with the heart icon. We have so many great breakout sessions, and you cannot be in two places at once. Sessions will continuously be moved to On Demand. Check back to the On Demand library to view sessions after the event. So far, we have talked about how you can explore Partner Connect booths, join sessions, and submit questions. These are a few of the ways you can gain points to climb the leaderboard. The more you engage, the more you earn. Select gamification at any time to check your status on the leaderboard. Reminder: your profile needs to be set to public to be visible on the gamification leaderboard. That's not all. Use the recommended icon from the homepage to tailor your experience by answering questions. Based on what we learn about you, the tool will generate personalized recommendations for attendees to connect with and sessions to join. To access the virtual event platform, we recommend using Google Chrome on a laptop or desktop. So, there we go. You are ready for Amazon Accelerate 2024. We hope you have an incredible time.